Attention business owners! Do you want to increase your site's visibility, rankings, and traffic the easy way? We live in a digital world, and every operating business right now, big or small, needs some kind of online exposure because that's where the world is progressing, and if your business doesn't catch up, it is bound to stay behind. But in between all the other aspects of business, focusing on online marketing or even making a start on promoting your business online can take a back seat. Let us tell you a secret. One simple way to start or enhance your digital marketing journey is with the help of search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is a strategy for improving your site's rankings in search engine results. It involves identifying which keywords and phrases your target audience uses when looking for products or services like yours, then working towards ranking well for those searches. SEO is so powerful that studies suggest that, if done right, it can drive 14.6% conversion rate. Moreover, 93% of all online experiences begin with a search engine, and 70 to 80% of all people ignore paid search results, choosing to only click on organic search results. Therefore, to survive in today's competitive market, SEO is imperative for businesses. But there's a problem. On the surface, SEO may seem simple, but it's much more than what meets the eye. It requires you to focus on working on multiple factors so that you can have a real SEO strategy. Well, we have put together all the resources you need to get started with your successful SEO strategy. Introducing SEO Training Kit, a complete step-by-step SEO video training encompassing everything you need to know to optimize your sites or posts to gain higher search engine rankings and maximize your organic traffic. Take a look at what you're going to get inside. Module number 1, 5 step-by-step training videos. It'll show you exactly how to start with SEO and master the initial aspects of doing the right SEO for your brand. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered several initial processes to get you going. Module number 2, Premier Training Guide on SEO Training Kit. This guide will walk you through every step and information you need to start and succeed with your SEO strategies securely and efficiently. We've included everything you need to know about SEO to let it work for you. And that's not all. In addition, we are providing 3 fast action bonuses. Bonus 1, Cheat Sheet. Bonus 2, Mind Map. Bonus 3, Top Resource Report. Download this amazing package to improve your website's search engine visibility and turn it into a massive subscriber powerhouse you've always dreamed of. Click on the Buy button and grab the deal.